So I was traveling from San Antonio to New Mexico on a ski trip with a group of friends, and it had been snowing that night, which is rare for Texas weather. And our car, which was sliding, ended up hitting a parked car in the middle of the interstate and ended up flipping several times. And that resulted in a lot of injuries on my part. So I had a broken pelvis, a ruptured bladder, a fracture on my cheekbone, bleeding on the brain, and severe bruising all over my body. So I met with a Crosley law firm, and as soon as I met with them, I just described what happened to me and told them about my story, and they felt like they could really help me out, and they had a lot of compassion for me.
The driver who had stopped his car in the roadway, turned out he was drunk, but since there was never any contact between the two vehicles, the insurance company for that driver denied the claim. The insurance company for the driver of the car Bethany was in also denied the claim, saying the fault rested with the driver of the drunk driver. The driver of Bethany's car had an uncle who's a lawyer, and that lawyer said, "Bethany, I'm going to take care of this for you. I'll represent you." I believe that there was a pretty significant conflict of interest there because, as it turned out, Bethany needed to bring a legal claim against that lawyer's nephew. We ended up handling Bethany's case and getting a policy limit settlement from the drunk driver. We ended up having to sue the nephew of that San Antonio lawyer. We ended up getting an extra $300,000 settlement from his insurance policy. That's probably $300,000 that never would have been included in her settlement had she stayed with that first lawyer.
If I had someone who came to me in a similar situation as I was in, I would definitely recommend Crosley Law Firm to them, because I know they would be well represented and taken care of.